Alright, I'm here with Mark from Z1 Off-Road, and this is his Titan. Mark, can you tell us a little bit about your truck and what you've got on it?
This is my 14 Titan. It's got the raised 21, 22 limited edition wheels. Running the Z1 intake, Z1 exhaust. Catch can, pretty much a list of Z1 performance. So it's got a 6-inch rough country lift on it, and the actually 2nd gen sports car with Nismo rigid lights.
That's Mark's Pro 4X. Very nice truck. Thank you, Mark.
Appreciate it.